my name is Joel and I'm a web designer here at PSP Inc. And today I'm going to show you how to remove red eye from images in Adobe Photoshop. So it's pretty easy to remove it. Just open up your image, go to this toolbar on the side. Right here, if you just click and hold, you'll bring up some sub-menu options that you can click. The red eye tool is just right there. So what you're going to do is just click probably in the middle, probably be good, where it's really red. If you just click once, it removes the red eye. Simple as that. Now, you could, to have more control, you could use the clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool might work. It's a bit tedious. The red eye tool is in essence kind of just doing this. What it's doing is sampling the area and then painting it over. The clone stamp tool does just that. So if you select it and you hold Option, you can see the cursor changes. So this is where you'll select a bit of the eye color to pull from, because you're pulling from the image and then you're basically painting over the red. So it's a little difficult with this image. You probably have to zoom in quite a lot. Like I'm doing now. So if you just find that one pixel and click it, make the brush smaller, you can see the pixel following it. That's the sampled pixel, and if you click, it will begin to paint over the red. You could get the brush tool and paint that way, but you want to sample over it. You want it to blend, and that's what the clone stamp does. It takes it and it just cuts a portion of the eye and then paints over wherever you click and drag. So yeah, it's pretty tedious to go this way. I would just use the tool that Photoshop has, and I mean, it's so much quicker. And you could use the clone stamp to kind of refine it a little from there, because it's not too good. You know, as you can see, it looks darker in this pupil, but this one's a little bit lighter. So you'll have to kind of experiment, but that's how you remove red eye in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching.